Okay, this is the one that went up off the screen. I can't get it to turn around because I don't know how. But anyways, I threw a little editing on it in contrast, so I'll show you the next one. Okay, this is the one that was on an angle, flying on an angle. I don't really think it resembles a plane. The one that I thought looked like a bird, I enhanced it a bit and darkened it to bring it out. And then we've got that one. That was to the left of it. Alright, just wanted to show you two separate different objects, and yeah. Okay, you be the judge. I'm not taking the video down. And this was over the New York Harbor Cam. Alright.